Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. My name is Darshan and I am a freelance Android developer as well as web designer, and I also try to create some useful tools which can help to the community as well as people into their day-to-day lives. So today I am here to share with you a major update in one of my tools I have created last year, and since then it is helping many people into their day-to-day lives, and that app is called as NoSave. If you have used this app, you may know that I have developed it last year to solve a major issue which most of the people were finding out into their day-to-day lives while using WhatsApp. So the quick summary of what was that issue and why I've created this app. So if you want to make a conversation with someone for a temporary need on WhatsApp, there is no other alternative than to save that number into your phone book, and then that will appear to the WhatsApp contacts, and then only you can make a conversation with that person. And if that need is over or that purpose is over, that number is there in your phone book for no need. So NoSave solved this problem last year, where you don't need to save that number each time for a temporary need. You can just type the number into the NoSave app and it takes to the WhatsApp profile of that user, and you can make a conversation of a temporary need and whatever the purpose was, and that's it. No need to save that number and no wastage of extra storage in your phone. But here's the point: no app or service is perfect, so you need to update it as the time passes. So some of the users shared a suggestion with me that they are facing a particular use cases where NoSave is not that much useful to them, and they have to move to the traditional method to save the number and to process everything, which is quite hectic. So I tried to deeply understand these use cases and problems and suggestions from our user, and I tried to figure out how can I solve this so that the app can become more efficient, more user friendly, and as well as more secure. First thing I did to make this transition is to change the UI and design of the NoSave. So if you have used this app or not, the app design and UI is changed from this to this. So while making this massive change into the design of NoSave, what I kept in mind was to use specific color palettes and try to settle them into a specific positions so that the app can be more user friendly and can give less strain to your eyes in the daylight conditions as well as in the dark conditions at night when there is no light around you and only the screen light is popping out of the phone. So while making these UI and design changes in NoSave, what I've tried to do is make the design more simple and subtle so that you can use the app without any problem, and I'll hope you love the design once you see it in the app. So let's move to the meat part of this video, which is use cases. So I've tried to implement major changes in NoSave as per the suggestions of the users of NoSave and tried to make it even more useful than the last version. So let's jump on to the first use case, which is person-to-person converse. So this is the primary use case I've kept in the mind while developing the NoSave app at the first place. It is there from the first version of the app, but I've tried to make multiple advanced changes in this use case, so it will be now more efficient and easy to use. So let's understand this use case with an example. Suppose you are talking to someone and the person says that, can you send this document to me on a WhatsApp? So what you can do is you can directly type that number into the number section of NoSave. As the person is speaking that number, just click on the WhatsApp button and that's it. NoSave directly takes you to the WhatsApp profile of that person where you can share that document file with him, and NoSave saved a lot of your time here. Then there is second use case, and from this stage I have made the major changes in the NoSave app, and the second case is Clipboard can handle. So let's also understand this use case with an example. Suppose your friend messages you for a small help where a ceiling fan of his room is giving him a problem in this use case. So he asks you for a number of an electrician so that he can go through with this problem, and as you send him a number, your friend can directly copy that number from the chat and can paste it to the number section of NoSave and can click on the WhatsApp button. NoSave handles the number if it is with the country code or not, which was a problem in the older versions of NoSave, and here he can select the WhatsApp he uses, and that's it. He can directly message to that electrician about his problem, and maybe the electrician will come soon to fix it. So as you can see how easy it is to work with NoSave rather than using traditional methods for these temporary needs. Now let's move to the third and most interesting case and the major update which comes with this version of NoSave, which is call logs can handle. And let's also understand this case with an example. Now assume that you run a business and one day you got a call from an unknown person which can be your potential customer, and he says, can you share all the service details your business provide on his WhatsApp. As you can see on the home screen of NoSave, in the bottom right corner, there is a floating button. After clicking that button, you just need to give two permissions to the app, that is to access call logs as well as contacts. NoSave will automatically fetch the recent 20 call logs from your phone and it will be displayed there, and you can also see that unknown number from which you got a call recently. You can directly click on that number, select the WhatsApp you want to, and that's it. You can send whatever your business details to that person directly without saving that number. And this is the biggest magic NoSave is bringing with this update. So I hope you like all the new features and updates coming in the NoSave. So when can you get these updates? It's available now. The app is already updated on the Play Store and you can directly download it if you are a new user, or you can update it if you have an older version of the app. The Play Store link for the app is in the description. Hi guys, so this part of the video was not planned actually. So whatever I planned for this update for the NoSave in last 1.5 months was completely changed in this 10 to 12 days because of some issue which came at the last moment. So this part of the video was important to be added. So let's go to 30th November. The app was ready to be uploaded on the Play Store, and as soon as it gets published, I was ready to publish this video and to share it with all of you. So the system is that each time we upload the new update of the app, it usually takes 48 hours to be published on the Play Store. What happens is, as soon as we upload this new file on the admin panel of Play Store, the Play Store team manually checks it if the app is secure or is there any policy violation in the new update of the app, and then only they allow the app update to be published and to be listed on the Play Store. When I uploaded this new update of the app to the Play Store, it got rejected due to some policy changes which Play Store recently made onto their platform, and due to that I was unable to push this update. So I tried everything. I tried to mail them, I explained everything to them that how this new update follows all the policies and security checks which are needed to be there in order to get this published, but I don't know why, due to which reason they disallow this update. So I was totally stuck for next 3 days after this thing happened, and then I came up with the solution, because what as a developer, as a programmer, we learned that there is solution for every problem. It's just that we have to put the efforts and energy to find it out. So now instead of one, there will be two versions of NoSave. One is a basic version and another one will be the advanced version. Both has same name, same everything. It's just that the third feature and the third use case I have mentioned in this video before will be available on the advanced version of the NoSave. After downloading this basic version from the Play Store, you can go to the top right corner of this app's home screen to the upgrade section. After clicking it, you will get a button from where you can download the advanced version of the app directly, and you will instantly get a pop-up to install it. And that's how you can keep both versions of the app into your phone, or you can delete the basic version if you want to. And that's how you can get all features of advanced version indirectly in your phone. So this is the major change I did in this last 10 days. Each time I try to put new features and new updates into the NoSave app, it will be available on both the versions, basic as well as advanced, and you can directly upgrade the advanced version easily. So that's all for this video, and I hope you like it. Please don't forget to share this video with someone to whom you feel this app can be useful. And if you are using this app and if you feel it useful, don't forget to share your feedback with me on this mail ID, or you can directly share your feedback on the app page in the Play Store. So that's all for this video. Thanks for watching, and I will see you guys in the next one. Namaste. Chaji koke mengi tuma dude isi akale kama dube RP Uncle Ruge ila bado fame kivuruge tamani papa mimi nafanya sala stories zenu sisi kanyagi nafanya rapper wanachona fala I wanna keep the missing wa wazi na bado sijakanyagia niko brother bado nipo kwenye njia kama brother juu ya beat speed mimi kula chabo soma kahesabu dia kwa makali wana irudia siko zadi kuna zipo